take your time or you rush and get a blowout, it resembles a cat's booty hole. That's not what I want. Hello and welcome to another video. I'm just starting off by applying jojoba oil to my earlobes and the taper that I'll be inserting shortly. As far as my stretching journey, I do not force the tapers in, and I am not in a rush. I've been slow stretching it all the way through, mainly changing or sizing up every other month. And now I'm kind of extending out to every 2 months. I am not pushing here. I'm just holding onto my earlobe and slightly tapping. Progress, and I'm gonna move on to my other ear. This other ear, I wouldn't be surprised if this ear just accepts everything just in an instant. But that's what normally happens with this side. So I'm just gonna take these out. And actually helping with like stretching your ears, I suggest like just washing your ears while you're showering. I like to, when I'm doing this, getting the taper from the back. I don't mess with them when I like stretch. I don't mess with, you can kind of see like the hole, you can see it. Stretch it. And I should have done that before. Just put the oil through the hole. I'm not having issues with infections. I actually did have one time because I didn't clean this ear well enough, and that ear got a little infected once. But it cleared up within a day, had a little pus. But so far, that has never happened again. These have healed beautifully, and they are stretching beautifully. See, like I said, this one, look at it. Makes no sense. Why does this one stretch easier than the other? Okay, so I am back home, and I'm still working on stretching my gauges, but I'm trying to think about what I was talking about earlier. Anyway, I had like a pretty good day. I feel like I've done a lot. It's just 5 p.m. Still have time to do stuff. I'm wiping the outside of this because I've been out, of course, so I think it's always great to cleanse because you never know what you've been near. Nothing dirty or anything like that. And I've been outside. I feel like tapers, correct me if I'm wrong, but the way they feel versus the actual plugs, I feel like tapers are larger than the actual plugs. Like look at that. And let me actually take this off so you can, no, these are not the taper. These are my old plugs. My bad. These are the new ones. So let me take this one off. I'm glad I checked that out because I'd have been so mad. But they're close in size. But I really feel like this is a little bit bigger. I don't know. It always feels like that. It feels better to have the plugs in versus having the tapers in for me. And it's probably because they're so long and they touch extra oil on my hands. They seem to touch the back of the neck of your ear and stuff. So what I'm doing, because I've had these in for a couple hours, normally it just takes that amount of time, or overnight if I have to. For sure, if it doesn't stretch now, it will stretch overnight. I'm just trying. And it seems like it's going. Let me get closer. Slowly, it's just sliding, and I'm not putting any pressure on my ear. There we go. So I got it in there. and so I don't lose progress, because it could fall out. I've had that happen to me before, and that sucks so bad. I'm just going to cap it off and get my plugs ready. So now I'm trying to get this ready to accept the plug. For some reason it's a little stiff right now. Just trying to get it to the edge. There we go. And what I do, I basically just chase the plug with the taper, like right in front of it, so we don't lose progress. And I try to line it up. Don't do that to me. There we go. So I got it in. Gonna cap it off. There we go. It feels so much better. Gotta get it out of this groove. There we go. Oh, that feels so much better. I don't know why, like, it's strange, but I'm gonna look it up. Our taper's a lot larger than the actual plug when stretching. Okay, there we go. One down, one more to go. This one is kind of stinging, but it's not, I'm not in pain. I'm not gonna cry. My ears are going to be okay. Okay, so here we are, looking good. The next time I stretch my ears, it'll be a couple months or so, because I'm on 2 gauge, and then the next one, or 2, yeah, the next one is 0. And when I get to 0, I can start actually buying nice plugs. So yeah, I'm going to wait. So it's May right now. Probably like around August, I will change these or size up. It depends on how like my ears feel. I'm not in a rush. That's the one thing about it. I am personally not in a rush to size up. I'm okay with going slow, because I'm not trying to end up with ears that look like a cat's butthole. I heard that statement made before about like stretched ears, that if you don't take your time or you rush and get a blowout, it resembles a cat's booty hole. That's not what I want. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace and many blessings. If you go to church, if she ain't got a butt, fucking get a toy. Yeah, you just wanna party, you just wanna